Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about how Zia-ul-Haq declared martial law in 1977 in Pakistan and brought Sharia law to Pakistan and made Pakistan 100% Muslim country. And because of that, Hindus became from 25% of at the time of independence to almost 0% in the present day. In this video, I am going to tell you all about how Zia-ul-Haq declared martial law in 1977 in Pakistan and brought Sharia law and made Pakistan 100% Muslim country. And because of that, Hindus became from 25% of population to at the time of independence to almost 0% in the present day in Pakistan. Zia-ul-Haq was a military commander of Pakistan in 1970s, and using military, he toppled the government of Pakistan at that time using high-level military force and became president of Pakistan. Using heavy military force and violence, this fellow Zia-ul-Haq, who was a military commander, and he became president of Pakistan in 1977. Just after he became president, he announced martial law in 1977 and suspended all other parliamentaries in the country and became dictator of that country, Pakistan. And he suspended all civil liberties and all other things and many rights of these people. He suspended many rights of the people and announced and made Pakistan as a martial law country. In 1977, he brought martial law to Pakistan in 1977. He made laws that give zero rights to Hindus and Sikhs in Pakistan. He made many laws in the Pakistan that give zero rights to Hindus and Sikhs in Pakistan. He brought Muslim Sharia law to the country and brought high-level stupid laws against people who speak or act against Islam, and gave mullahs high-level authorities to punish people who speak against Islam, and imposed high-level blasphemy laws against people who criticize Islam. Like that, he established separate Sharia judicial courts and court benches to judge legal cases using Islamic doctrine. He studied Islam in his childhood very deeply, and he was a deeply Muslim in his nature. Because of that, he made all laws and all things Islamic in country of Pakistan. Stupid Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi were Prime Minister of India at the time of Shariaization and complete Islamization of Pakistan. At the time of these incidents are going on in Pakistan, Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi were Prime Ministers of India at that time. But these Prime Minister didn't do anything to stop these high-level crimes against Hindus and Sikhs in Pakistan. Even though Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi were Prime Minister during complete Islamization of Pakistan, these person didn't do anything to stop these high-level crimes against Hindus and Sikhs in Pakistan. After India winning Indo-Pakistan War in 1971, stupid Indira Gandhi released 1 lakh prisoners of Pakistan without killing them. But if you say in case of USA and Britain during World War II, they killed all remaining soldiers of Germany after World War II. After World War II, the countries of USA and Britain, these countries killed all remaining soldiers of Germany after World War II. But stupid Indira, after winning Indo-Pakistan War, stupid Indira Gandhi released all these prisoners, 1 lakh prisoners of Pakistan, without killing them. Hindus and Sikhs suffered high-level crimes against them by Muslims in Pakistan at that time to present time. From time of independence in 1947 to current time, Hindus and Sikhs suffered high-level crimes against them because crimes against them by Muslims in Pakistan because of highly criticizing nature of Muslims. All these things you can watch in documentary Human Boundary, directed by Kerala director Riju Nair. There is a documentary called Human Boundaries. In the documentary, there are around 100 Hindus came to India and they have suffered high-level atrocities by Muslims in Pakistan. This human boundaries documentary was about the few hundred Hindus who became refugees in India after suffering high-level atrocities committed by Muslims in Pakistan. Muslims in Pakistan committed high-level atrocities against these Hindus who came as refugees to India after some time. Muslims in Pakistan, they don't mix up with Hindus and they say, become Muslims, then only we will talk to you. Muslims in Pakistan always don't mix up with the Hindus in Pakistan, and they always say to Hindus that become Muslims, then only we will talk with you. They hate Hindus in Pakistan and they won't allow Hindus to sit, eat or drink together. They hate Hindus that much. They highly discriminate Muslims in Hindus. They highly discriminate Hindus in Pakistan and they don't even allow Hindus to sit, eat or drink with them. Pakistan is a highly violent country and it has around 4 crore guns in civilian control. 4 crore guns were in civilian control in Pakistan. Among them, only 1 crore guns were registered among civilian population. Like that, Ziaul Haq, who was the president of the Pakistan around 10 years from 1977 to around 1988, he committed several atrocities against Hindus and Sikhs in Pakistan, and he made Pakistan as a 100% Muslim country. He brought Sharia laws and high-level discrimination against Hindus and Sikhs in Pakistan, and he made Pakistan as 100% Muslim country. India also should do the same by declaring martial law throughout India with 100% Hindu laws with modified Manu Shastra and made this country as 100% Hindu country at any cost. India also should do the same thing by declaring martial law throughout India and with 100% Hindu laws with modified Manu Shastra and made this country as 100% Hindu country at any cost. Jai Gurudev.